Imagine, throwing the boy in your cripple, owe me my rent. For my big mansion. When I'm rent the boy on the hills. I'm not going to pay him. I'm going to kill somebody today.
Daddy, see this up where you
Why? Come to my auntie. Look at the boy I want to collect rent for. Imagine. Eh? I'm just get money from a friend and I'm not giving him none. So I gone the gun.
I go them to pay me rent for the place, you know. 5-star hotel. I'm say mega star. When I give them lobster even time, I say anyone more about them, I'll get it. Yeah, if more them anywhere. I could have on the East Coast and West Coast, you know, say a million pumpkin belly. Eh? I rent me a $20 a month, you know. Boy, them can't pay me. Alright, it's all good. Now check them back little moment, don't worry.
I know say for the pumpkin and the door. Feel good $20 when we owe him. Pay rent. So you want some friend? Yeah, brother. I back on money. Pumpkin, how do you dog? How do you come pumpkin? Tell me how dog.
Yo, you know see boy named Cripple?
No, sir, I don't see him.
The boy was supposed to about 10 months rent. Yes, man. What is on? At 20 grand the boy owe me, you know?
So much?
Yes, man. Enough money that there. Can buy 10 pound of mackerel or something. What a shop. Watch out. You see if I tell my boy there, him not pass now, yes, so you get the whole of next month rent.
What?
You whole of next month rent, man.
That's how much?
Yes, man. No 20 grand. You know, you want me to tell you, man.
Alright, but watch out.
What?
Big finger.
Big finger did?
Eh.
Say, you sure? Big finger did?
100% sure.
100% sure?
Yeah.
Alright, don't see your word.
Alright, don't say that. Come on, watch me, man. Watch me.
But if you ever eat that down the sea there, aye?
Yes, no, pumpkin.
How you go?
That's how one. Yeah, come here. Me? Yeah, come here.
Okay.
Bruh.
Just sit down and give me a piece of food, brother. What you do? You know what you're doing, farmer? What you doing, farmer?
Bruh.
No, but you're a bad man.
Of course.
All a box song, man.
Yeah.
Me not even go chop up you this evening because I'm going next month. Hey, boy, you know say, hey, boy.
What you have to do?
What you have to do when you... Hey, boy, one that. You see one you want me rent again, you find me yard.
More that.
Any boy feel them can rent out the pumpkin place and don't pay me. A 5-star hotel me about on the hills.
Bruh.
A lobster them I get to eat, you know. Any boy feels them can rent out my place, think again.